The government will submit its documents to court on Sunday. It will provide historical evidence to prove that the islands belong to Saudi Arabia. They were administered by Egypt at the request of the kingdom since the early 1950s, and Saudi Arabia has the right to take it back. The state will also challenge the court's handling of the case as unconstitutional.
They
will push to prove that the state courts and judiciary as a whole don't have the power to monitor or reject the Egyptian-Saudi agreement known as the demarcation deal. A very important question will be answered in this court case. Should agreements signed by the administration with any other country be considered actions of sovereignty and thus not fall under any legal supervision?
Tiran and Sanafir are uninhabited islands at the mouth of the Gulf of Aqaba in the Red Sea, bordered by Israel, Jordan, Egypt and Saudi Arabia. Most Egyptians haven't heard of them before, yet hundreds went to the streets to reject their handover to Saudi Arabia. 150 were jailed, but they were later released. Analysts expect the state will fight hard in court to prove the islands are Saudi and avoid public embarrassment. But according to the constitution, agreements of such high strategic importance are not only dealt with in court.
Parliament has the right to supervise and monitor this agreement or any deal signed by the government with others, whether companies or countries. It has the right to ratify the agreement.
Members of parliament say they have not yet discussed the demarcation deal. It will be a grueling process as always in Egypt's judiciary. But at the same time, there will be a heated debate in parliament, where MPs will decide if the two islands will remain in Egypt or handed over to Saudi Arabia. Yes, Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.